Hey everyone, Nothing Phone 3A. Pro is a bold and innovative addition to the smartphone market, continuing Nothing's tradition of blending striking design with functional ingenuity. As the standout model in the Phone 3A series, it represents a significant evolution for the brand, particularly with its adoption of a circular camera design, trend that has been gaining traction across the industry. However, Nothing's interpretation of this trend remains uniquely its own, thanks to the brand's signature transparent design elements and the enhanced Glyph interface, which set it apart from competitors. One of the most notable features of Phone 3A Pro is its triple camera system, a first for Nothing. Unlike previous models which featured horizontally stacked sensors, the Pro model introduces a visually striking circular camera module. This design shift aligns with the broader industry trend seen in brands like Vivo, OnePlus, and Xiaomi, but Nothing ensures its version stands out by integrating the circular camera bump into its iconic transparent design. The exposed structural elements beneath the glass back panel maintain the raw, mechanical aesthetic that has become synonymous with Nothing's identity. This design not only enhances the phone's visual appeal, but also introduces a periscope telephoto lens, marking the first time Nothing has included such a feature. Transparency remains a core element of Nothing's design philosophy, and the Phone 3A Pro takes this concept further. The semi-transparent back panel reveals the intricate engineering inside, offering a glimpse into the device's inner workings. The updated Glyph interface adds another layer of functionality, providing users with more granular control over the lighting elements. These lights, which now subtly highlight the circular camera module, create a cohesive and visually appealing look. The design evolution of the Phone 3A Pro reflects Nothing's commitment to balancing form and function. A new glossy button on the right side of the device, likely customizable action button similar to Apple's iPhone action button, adds extra layer of usability. This feature underscores Nothing's focus on practicality without compromising on style. However, integrating the periscope camera presented unique challenges for design team. The module's larger size required careful engineering to ensure it fits seamlessly into the transparent structure without disrupting the phone's sleek appearance. The Nothing Phone 3A Pro is more than just a visually striking device. It represents the brand's ability to adapt to market trends while staying true to its identity. The circular camera bump, while not revolutionary in itself, feels fresh and intentional in Nothing's hands. So the Nothing Phone 3A Pro is a testament to the brand's vision of creating devices that are both aesthetically unique and functionally robust. It's a reminder that Nothing isn't just about standing out visually, it's about crafting a design language that resonates with users while pushing the boundaries of what a smartphone can be. With its innovative features, striking design, and thoughtful engineering, the Phone 3A Pro solidifies Nothing's position as a disruptor in the smartphone industry. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button. Have a nice day, and God bless you.